We are at the famous Winstar Casino, baby. But you guys did not come here to watch a video about the casino. You guys came here to watch me ride a motorcycle. To watch me ride this motorcycle all the way to Missouri, baby. I spent the night here last night. It's about an hour and a half from my house. And you know, it's a pretty good place, man. I've been there several times. Donated a bunch of money to the casino before. Which is some motherfucking bullshit, but it is what it is. It's a nice casino, man. It's pretty fucking badass. The casino is like 10 minutes from the border between Oklahoma and Texas. Everybody from Texas comes here all the time. So right now we are on our way to Cabool. I say we because I am about to go meet my brother Yogi. He's gonna ride with me he's riding with me today to Cabool. And what's in Cabool? Not a fucking thing. In Cabool we have our chapter, our Missouri chapter, and they're putting together a teddy bear run. We're gonna be riding some of the most badass bike roads Missouri's got to offer. I'm gonna meet Yogi right here. I'm gonna get me some coffee, man. I need some coffee. I need something to give me a little kick. I like my coffee strong. I wanted to show up on a freaking drug test. Wellston, Oklahoma. We are gonna get with it. We're making great time. But if we leave right now, we're gonna hit rain. So we gotta go that way. I've been on the rain before, so Yogi has too. So it is what it is. Well, we rode all through the rain. Motorcycles are soaked. My pants are soaked. My boots are soaked. I'm soaked. But we decided to stop and have a burger at one of the best joints in the whole wide world. What a burger. We stopped, I don't even know where we are. Verde grass and some shit like that right here in Oklahoma. We just stopped to have a burger real quick, let the rain pass. Might run into some more rain. We will see, hopefully not, but you know, it is what it is. It's a good time, but I'm a little chilly now. See all them clouds? That is exactly where we're heading. Oh well, fuck it. Let's get back on the road, baby. Last leg before we get to Cabool. Still fucking raining. the whole way. Whole fucking feet soaked. It's alright. It is what it is. I got this blue tint on my primary. Has anybody had that shit happen? Fucking weird. It's coming off though. From the road, I guess. It is what it is. I haven't been filming a whole lot because I'm not gonna be risking a GoPro, so you guys can enjoy watching us on the rain. Fuck all that shit. Last leg, baby. Getting back on the road. Let's go. After riding in the rain for what it felt like forever, we finally made it to Cabool, Missouri. Our brothers and sisters were waiting for us. Lucky for us, they had a clubhouse full of cold beer. Don't forget to support those to support you, and I'll see you guys next time.